Oh, yeah! Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and for today we have a very basic video. We're just going to be washing the XT, so let's go ahead and get started. Wow, it is freaking hot, but here's the plan. So the plan is that we are going to be washing the XT. We're going to be doing really deep clean, just, you know, clay bar, and then we got some wax. And it's just kind of weird because I've had it for a few months now, but I've never really had the chance to, you know, clean it as good as I really wanted to. So that's the plan for today. We're just going to be washing it really good. I do want to apologize for the sweating. It's so humid right now, and it's about 90 degrees around 6 o'clock. Freaking humid and hot in good old North Carolina. But let's go ahead and get started. Before I forget, it's supposed to rain tonight, so I'm not gonna clean the windows too good. Alright, so unfortunately I don't have a good table here, so we're gonna just go with this. But with the claying, I got Mother's California Code. I've used this before, I didn't have any problems with it, and it does come with a detailer. Like I said, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with this, see how far we can get. Alright guys, so we just finished claying the bar. It's kind of hard to tell if there's a difference, but when I come back, we're going to start waxing it. Hopefully everything looks good. Let's go. Like I said before, we do have Mother's Brazilian Canuba wax. I've used it before, but let's try it again, see how it looks like. What do you guys think about that? Is there a difference? You look at this. Look at that shine. Isn't that just gorgeous? Alright, so it is now officially the next day. When I finished waxing last night, it was just a bit too dark to really film anything. It does look like the wax helped a bit, so hopefully the camera can capture that. With that being said, I just have a few things I gotta dress up. Once we're done with that, I'm gonna get some B-roll footage and create a montage for you guys. Hello. Oh, that's so cute.